How to withdraw money from Aviator app. Now, first things first, before we go directly into withdrawal, we need to know the certain withdrawal methods first. Now, withdrawal methods is going to be like MasterCard, Visa, Skrill, PayPal, Nettler, bank transfer, Bitcoin, and Litecoin. Those withdrawal methods has a certain amount of time on your processing fee. Now, for you to be able to withdraw, all you just have to do is to log into your account, and then once you're on your account, beside your profile, there will be a withdrawal button that you can go ahead and press. Now, other thing you can do also before you can withdraw is you need to hit all the requirements needed for you to be able to have the withdrawal without any problems. Now, withdrawal requirements can be a valid passport or passport ID, official documents to verify your postal address, such as utility bills or bank statements. Now, there will be also asked to provide details on the source of funding for your account. Now, once you hit all those specific information, you'll be able to withdraw. Again, all you have to do to withdraw is just simply log into your account and go ahead and tap on your profile. And beside your profile, there will just be a withdrawal button that there. So you'll just have to press on that and then have the specific amount what you wanted or how much you wanted to withdraw. So that's how you can withdraw on the Aviator app.